Kim was arrested and extradited to Seoul. Her accomplice committed suicide at the time of his arrest by taking cyanide hidden in his cigarette. Kim was nicknamed the Virgin Terrorist by the media. She was only 25 at the time.
Remember, the liquid chemicals in the bottle will increase the explosive power of the radio bomb, so they must be kept together at all times.
Flight KAL 858 would never reach its destination. The plane exploded in mid-flight as it flew over the Andaman Sea. North Korea was accused of perpetrating an act of terror. This tragedy would wreak havoc on relations between the two